Changing out a sensor. 2017 GMC 4.3 liter V6. Okay. Trying to find the right one. Here's the part number for this one, 234-4974. Okay, try to find it. Okay, I got a little bit of PB Blast right here to loosen it up before I take it off. Let's set that aside for right now. See if I can find the right one. Okay. Got one right here. Okay, this is behind the converter. Then I got another one right up there. I don't know if you can see it or not. It's in front of the converter. So I believe the one in front of the converter is the right one. So I'm gonna try to get that one off. So I just need to get my socket and try to get it off there. Okay, I found out where it's located at. It's the one in front of the converter because the colors match. The one behind the converter has different colors. So try to get a wrench to fit it. And let's see if this will work. Okay, it comes with a little bit of lubrication right here to put on the threads. It's a good idea. Let's see if this fit. Try it and see. I gotta put the camera down. Okay, I got a 7/8 inch 22 millimeter, equivalent to a 7/8 inch socket right here. Should fit right here. Should fit. Yep. It actually goes the other way. So it should go like that. Fall in, yeah, fits. Just like that. Alright, go ahead and pull it out and give it a try and see what it'll do. Okay, I got this one off, and wasn't too hard to get off, a little tight, but it came on out of there. So all I have to do now is get the pigtail off, and that should be it. Just put the other one in there. Okay, I got the new one in there, so all I have to do is just plug it in, and should be good to go. Okay, see what it'll do now. Here's the old box. I'm in the new box right here. Put this up here. Start it up and see if I have a check engine light. All right, so let's see. Okay, I'll probably just have to see if I can remove that, or maybe it'll go out.
in a way that he thought he could bring Republicans to support it. So short of that.
But it should go out. Let's see. Alright, it should, it's been fixed, so that check engine light should go out.